Hi everyone. Today I'm going to a small office function. This happened some time back, but it was such a lovely outdoor event, so I thought to share it with you. Let me introduce my friend Malisha. I call her Mali with love. We are both so excited to enter the function, and now we have arrived at the venue. Actually, this is a farewell. We can already hear the music. The band is playing and singing beautifully. The vibe is so lively. Everyone seems cheerful, and the whole vibe feels so lively and joyful. It really sets the mood for the evening. Let me show you the surroundings. This is Eagle Lagoon View Hotel Negombo. It is located near the lagoon, and at night it looks absolutely stunning. The soft golden lights reflect gently around the space, and you can feel the cool lagoon breeze touching your face. The outdoor setup is so calm and elegant. The combination of nature, water, lights, and music creates such a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. Right after we entered, there was a snack buffet waiting for us, but we didn't eat much from there because the dinner buffet was already ready, and we didn't want to eat from both. The band was playing such nice songs, and everyone around us was smiling and enjoying themselves. It felt so nice to just let go for a while, laugh, move with the rhythm, and forget about work stress. We stepped outside again to enjoy the beauty of the place. Live music and the peaceful outdoor atmosphere was so refreshing. It was incredibly calm and soothing. The cool night wind gently brushed against us. The soft golden lights were glowing beautifully around the garden area, and the dark night sky looked so wide and quiet above us. For a moment, everything felt slow and peaceful. No rush, just the breeze, the lights, and that relaxed lagoon side atmosphere. It was one of those simple, beautiful moments that make you feel grateful and content. After that, we headed to the dinner buffet and had our meals. The food was delicious. We really enjoyed every bite. After dinner, we danced and enjoyed the function. Then we got ready to head back home. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and see you soon in another vlog.